Wow, my friends. So I have breaking news to share with all of you this evening. Billions of dollars have been allocated towards one of the largest relief programs. The Internal Revenue Service has just released new details on the next round of stimulus checks, but some individuals may receive smaller payments than others. So please, friends, make sure that you watch until the end of this video to find out if you are eligible to receive this financial assistance. Also know that I'll be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Friends, please make sure that you enter the giveaways. All you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the more likely your chances, friends, of winning these giveaways. Friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video. Friends, I'll be announcing another winner on Thursday and Friday of this week. So please make sure that you enter as many keywords in the comment section below of each video that you watch. Thank you, friends, and do stay tuned for those videos. The Internal Revenue Service said this week that your refund for the 2022 tax year may be smaller than in years past. The tax agency told reporters that this is because of several recently passed changes to the tax code. But the IRS said that taxpayers who take the standard deduction instead of itemizing their taxes will no longer be able to deduct their charitable contributions. Also, President Biden's American Rescue Plan Act lowered the reporting threshold for third-party networks that process payments for those doing business. A 1099-K form, which is used by third-party networks, can now be triggered by a single transaction that exceeds $600. The threshold to trigger the form used to be $20,000 in aggregate transactions. So for those claiming the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit, the IRS said it can no longer issue those returns until mid-February because the law requires it to hold the entire refund in an attempt to give itself more time to detect fraud. Additionally, some large refunds for tax years 2020 and 2021 were allotted because taxpayers who had not received their economic impact stimulus payments claimed them when they filed their taxes. Also, there are a few new or expanded tax credits that may be available to taxpayers, including the Premium Tax Credit and the Clean Vehicle Credit. The Internal Revenue Service acknowledged that there were still 3.7 million unprocessed individual returns that it received in 2022 as of November 11th, as well as nearly 1 million unprocessed forms for amended tax returns. The IRS has said in an official statement, the IRS is processing these amended returns, and the order received and the current time frame can be more than 20 weeks. Taxpayers should continue to check Where's My Amended Return tool for the most up-to-date processing status available. Many taxpayers received additional stimulus payments with their tax refunds in recent years. These payments help millions of people cover their expenses during the crisis. When the Biden administration passed the American Rescue Plan Act, it expanded the child tax credit temporarily for 2021, creating the largest U.S. child tax credit ever. The child tax credit has reverted to its original amount of $2,000 per child for the 2022 tax year, but the enhanced 2021 credit can still be claimed on your 2023 taxes. According to officials, individuals and families who miss both of these still have up to 3 years to file their tax returns and claim the 2021 tax credits for which they may be eligible. Friends, the key word for this video is Cedar Rapids, Iowa. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Marked by state surpluses and growing state revenues, many U.S. states have passed tax relief programs to provide financial aid to residents. In California, Governor Gavin Newsom, through the State of California Franchise Tax Board, began sending out middle-class tax refunds of up to $1,050 to about 23 million eligible residents. The 18 million total payments, which is equal to $9.5 billion, represents the largest relief program of its kind in California state history. In a press release issued the day before the first middle-class tax refund checks were dispatched, Governor Newsom stated, "We know it's expensive right now, and California is putting money back into your pockets to help. We're sending out refunds worth over $1,000 to help families pay for everything from groceries to gas." However, friends, many of you who are residents of California are anxiously waiting and wondering when you will receive your MCTR payments. Franchise Tax Board spokesperson Andrew LePage explained that payment coordination has to be thought out and treated judiciously. LePage recently said there are constraints on the number of direct deposits and mailed debit cards that can be issued weekly. Logistically, it takes time to deliver approximately 18 million payments to Californians effectively and accurately, protecting both taxpayers and California. According to the Orange County Register, the Franchise Tax Board said that as of November 7, 2022, it still needed to distribute 18 million payments between then and the end of January 2023. So, dear friends, if you are a resident of California, and if you have not received your refund yet, please know it's most likely on its way. Dear friends, please let me know if you live in California and if you have received your middle-class tax refund. Well, my dearest and most beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here the day before Thanksgiving. I want you all to know that I sincerely appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of yesterday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway is Thomas Harvey. Congratulations, my dear friend. Please note, to claim your gift card, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also message me on my Facebook page. Friends, I will be announcing another winner for the $75 giveaway in a video later today, as well as tomorrow and Friday. So do stay tuned for those videos. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving.
Renewable energies, and we're very, very proud of that. So the impact that Rural Energy for America program has been very good, but historically underutilized, I think. And what are you saying as far as barriers? What deters those applicants from applying for the REAP program, and what can we do to make sure those dollars are getting to our local communities?
Senator Ernst, I would love to follow up with you on that. It's my understanding that REAP is overwhelmingly oversubscribed, so we don't have enough funds to get it out to all the folks who are applying for it.
Okay, maybe we need to get more of those dollars into Iowa. Maybe that's the issue. But yeah, I would love to visit with you more about that. It's certainly an important program. So as well, before we move on, I've just got a little over a minute and a half remaining. But for our second panel, I know that we have Dr. Schilling here with us as well from G.